My name is Bailey. I'm the social media rep for ARKON Off-Road, and this is my 2010 Chevy Silverado. So first truck was actually a 1994 Chevy K1500. It was my dad's truck before. I upgraded from that to a 2000 Ford Explorer, which I absolutely thrashed for years. It was the normal high school vehicle. As long as it gets you from point A to point B, you're good to go. So I bought this with a 5-inch rough country lift, 18 by 10 XDs with a set of 35 12.5 Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. It used to have fender flares, took all that off, made it more aggressive, added a couple parts here and there, ended up putting headlights into it, and obviously had to throw a straight pipe on it. It's a 5.3. Met Junior through a couple of my friends, asked him to give me a job working for ARKON, and ended up social media rep job opened up. I took it and decided that with these opportunities I got now, I might as well upgrade the truck some more. I decided to upgrade the stance a little bit. I threw a set of 20 by 12 -51 Alexanders on it. I paired those up with a 33 by 12.5 Fury Country Under MT. And being in town, I like being dark windows, so I did some tint on the front. It only made it out to one show last year, Midwest Truck Invasion. Not that big of a show, just a local one. And we came back, decided as a company we're gonna go down to Lift Truck Nationals in Missouri. And that is where my interest sparked to build a show truck. Everything there is big, clean, what I want my truck to be for the next show season. So I came back, did that, and now definitely have the intentions of getting out to as many shows as possible. The new stage of the truck is a 8-inch Superlift kit with the King upgrades, 24 by 14 Caesars, 35 by 13.5 amp mud terrain attacks. I put an Overkill Fab grill in it, set of Alpha Rex USA Nova Series headlights. I decided to throw 2 Scar Audio VDL 12s in the back seat and do a full sound system upgrade just because the stock was a little bit not to my liking. And I did a 8-piece set of Black Label Lighting white rock lights. I have some plans for down the road for it. She has some imperfections that need to get touched up, but for now, this is how she sits. There really wasn't too many setbacks when I got around to building it. Only thing I can think of right now is upgrading the steering components to go with the 14 wides. Other than that, there really was no setbacks when I built this. So future plans, I plan on going with a 10 to 12 inch Cognito lift, throwing some tow mirrors on it because it's gonna be big. The small dinky mirrors aren't gonna cover it. I have McGoy's track bars ready to go. They're just finishing up in powder coat. Throw some bodyguard bumpers on it, front and rears, and maybe we'll do some motor work, possibly pro charge it, maybe supercharger. We'll see how that goes. So I decided to customize this because they're a simple platform, easy to build, easy to find, lots of parts out there. Turns out I ended up going a little bit crazier than I wanted to, but now I'm just gonna keep going with it, see where it takes it. Every truck's different. This one's mine. I built it the way I wanted it, but it is definitely a universal feeling when you first modify a vehicle and you get that first drive in. Everything rides different. It's your taste, build it how you want it. That's my favorite part about modifying a vehicle.